So hi everyone. So in this video we're gonna see like how to fairness to speak to strangers. Like if you speaking to stranger, you need to like the confidence. So if you speaking the confidently, yeah, you can easily speak to everywhere in front of the people or something that different place. If you need to like the confidence, if you some of the people what they're thinking, though ignore this. So yeah, you can speak like slowly, like how to say. Uh, if you're speaking with your friends, yeah, you can speak the normally, but you can't because of if you speaking the English, there are trolling or something bullying. So if you speaking to strangers, yeah, how to say, if you go to the supermarket, you speak in English, no one uh, like uh, how to say they disagree because of there are the customers they are important to their handling, so that is the important. If you go to the supermarket, yeah, you can speak English. It's like how much this price, yeah, can I buy it, any offer going. So yeah, you can ask this simple question. So like the some of the like beginners there are doing this, it is the differently. Like I'm also doing that in the supermarket. If I go to the alone, yeah, I am trying to speak in English only. I'm also speaking with my friends, like they're trying to speak in English, but I can't because of there are like native speaking. There are I think if you are with your friends, we are here like we can't speak in English because of we are the enjoying to uh, something we are speaking to like unrelated education or something different. So that is the huge difference. Initially, I am also struggling a lot. After that, I am taking my record, taking my video, like the documentary. So this system makes helpful for me, like how to speak to strangers, how to speak slowly. If you speaking the slowly, yeah, you can thinking some of the topic that time. So in my nearby, so many house there. I am temporarily sitting at the city. Like there are so many houses there, but no one came to outside because of I don't know. There are people are the only inside the at the home, but yeah, that is also like good for you because of if you the practicing like communications skills, that's the better because of you take the mobile, you put on the AirPods, and like there's something you are speaking with your friends, but they are thinking, but you are practicing your communication skills. No one there in the call. You are practicing communication skills, so that is the important. I am also doing so many things like that way because of I am putting the wired AirPods, I am speaking with some of the English practicing. After that, in my surrounding, they are thinking I am speaking with someone, but I literally speaking with some of the AI chatbots, so that is a huge difference. So yeah, guys. So yeah, you should the practice needed, and also you should the confidence. So don't fear about that. Go to supermarket, like speak like that. It is a simply like I know something that huge different. If you like this video, so please share and please subscribe my channel. And also, if any suggestions for me, so please let me in the comment section. I will make sure. Okay, thank you for the watching. We're gonna see next video. Start learning today.